when it comes to strange phobias, is it you or someone you know?
It is actually me. I am afraid of dog poop.
I understand that because living in my apartment now, they let it be everywhere. In the hallways.
They don't pick it up?
They do not. I have pictures. I am the Karen of dog poop in my place.
Hate it. Like, it makes my skin crawl. I just can't stand it.
Like, if you saw it in your neighborhood, is that something that would cause you to, like freak out?
Are
or
you
what?
screaming and
Yeah,
running
what
away?
happens?
I can't stand the sight of it.
Not to get on the full topic of this, but, like, if you saw regular poop, would that make you even more freaked out? Because that would freak me out.
I'm sure it would.